Well, this is, I don't know, my 4th or 5th year making an ice skating rink. And this year I'm doing things a little bit differently. Usually I put ice tubes down the sides. I'm going to do ice tubes down the sides of 18-inch poly tubing, but on the ends I'm doing a backstop. And this is going to collect hockey pucks. Eventually I want to buy enough to do the entire side. So just these two sides, this is 32 inches tall, and I just built little structures to hold them up. Hey! And
following me.
Yeah, he's breathing on you. Okay, and we have plastic. This is used plastic from last year's, but 32 inches tall. The two ends cost me $200 this year of wood, and then I cut them 32 inches, and then stitched them together and supported them. The plastic, it's about $100 for each sheet. So if you're starting from scratch where you could be, you're at $400 right there. And then the tubing down the side, you could spend $150 to get tubing. What the tubing does is it makes a border so you can fill it a little bit. It just gives you a solid border, and you freeze that first. Anyways, 100 feet by 20 feet sheets. You just have to have a big place big enough. If you only go 20 feet wide, so mine is 36 feet wide, there are 3 sheets of OSB that I've cut. I cut them into thirds, so that makes 36 feet that go across there. That's 4 times 9. Okay, 4 times 9 is how, so they're 36 feet wide. Gives me a couple feet of overlap, and also border on the edges. So we'll see how the backstops work. We'll keep you updated as I go.